I'm in a little park over by the apartments here. Of course, the merry-go-round's covered because it's elevated. Pretty good dusting on everything, the grass and leaves. The track's covered up pretty well. It's looking towards the water company. Just a fog of snow. Walk over this way towards these trees. It's a pretty good bit of snow out here. Got another car coming. This road's nothing but white. Very cold. Okay, here's the road. Looks like a lot of fun to drive on. Pretty slick. You can see one car in, one car out. And the snow's slacked off a little bit. But this was about 20 minutes snowing like this. And everything got a good dust, and the driveway has no snow on it. It's not slick either. Cars are covered pretty good, and this is usually dead grass here.